The hiring section of your account is the one-stop shop for all things related to hiring and onboarding new teammates. It's where you could check on the progress of any member you're actively onboarding and complete tasks on their onboarding checklist. Within the hiring section, you'll find a Tools tab where you can access and discover ways Gusto can help with onboarding and hiring. Some useful tools you can use are setting up and managing your offer letter templates, setting up deductions for benefits, and creating a checklist template for onboarding team members in the future. When adding someone to your team, click Hire a New Person and select what type of person you're bringing on. In this example, we'll bring on an employee and send an offer letter. Here, we could fill out the person's basic information. Then, we can fill out the details of the offer we want to send. On this next page, you can see a preview of the offer letter and can make any edits needed. On this last page, we could see an onboarding timeline of next steps. After clicking Save and Continue, we can see our new employee, Jordan, has been added to the hiring center and his offer letter has been sent. His status will reflect whether or not he has accepted his offer or if the offer needs attention. As you can see here, the status of each person in the hiring center reflects where they are in the hiring process. Maria is self-onboarding, Leanna has accepted her offer and needs attention, and Felix's offer hasn't been sent yet. Gusto will send you an email once the candidate receives and accepts their offer. Click the link in the email to complete onboarding. You can also go to the hiring center and complete onboarding from there. When you've decided to start onboarding your new employee, you'll be taken to create their Gusto employee profile. This includes basic information and information about their role. After creating their profile, you'll be taken to their onboarding checklist. The onboarding checklist is a list of tasks that you need to do in order to onboard a new employee. The first task, Add to Payroll, is required to start paying this employee through Gusto. After completely verifying an employee for payroll, they will show up in your People tab. If you verified an employee for payroll but are still onboarding them, they will show up on your People tab and your Hiring tab for a period of time. The next two tasks, Add Work Email and Create Software Accounts, are recommended but not required. If you're curious about setting up software accounts, check out our software provisioning video. If you've created a template for your new hires, your templated tasks will automatically show up in this checklist. In this example, Give a First Day Tour and Set Up Manager Lunch are tasks that are on this person's checklist. We also made it easy to add your own tasks and assign tasks to members on your team. Customizing templates and adding tasks is available to our Complete and Concierge customers. To change plans and take advantage of this feature, go to the Change Plan section. Once you've finished all of the tasks in your onboarding checklist, you're now finished with onboarding for this new hire. Their checklist will stay in the hiring center for 2 weeks in case you'd like to add any new tasks in the new hire's first 2 weeks. Anytime you add new tasks or have unfinished tasks in a person's checklist, they will reappear in the hiring center. For all other things, go to the People section and click on their name. That's it. You're done onboarding an employee. Congratulations.